The HydroPro Plus was specifically designed to meet the needs of establishments with HACCP plans in place. Cooking logs are stored within the unit and cannot be accessed directly through the immersion circulator. The benefit of this is that it prevents logs from being accidentally mishandled. The appliance will store roughly a year's worth of logs and will begin to delete the oldest file to make room for the newest once the memory is full. Logs are managed solely through the PolyScience HACCP Manager app. When setting up the unit for the first time, you have the option to set up data logging or skip it until later. If you skip it, it may be accessed from the settings menu later on. To begin a logged cook, ensure that data logging is turned on in settings. Apply the tape to the bag. Insert the needle through the tape and plug in the probe. Then, enter one of the 3 cooking modes from the home screen: Sous Vide Toolbox, Manual Cooking, or My Presets. You will be asked if you would like to cook with the probe or the timer. Select the probe. A clipboard icon will appear in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Click the icon. You'll be prompted to enter various parameters of the food. When finished, click Start Logging. When the cook is finished, click the clipboard on the run screen and select Stop Log. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.